To use our revision tools, it's very easy. Now you'll receive an email or link towards your project. Once you click on the project, it would open up the project where you can see your website. Now, as you notice, if you hover down here, you will see a click to have a comment. So for instance, I'm going to go and scroll to your website and I want to add a another section of folder. I would say add a YouTube account. So you just put this one here, add a YouTube section. Okay. And then all you do is add that comment. Now you've noticed that it would, put your name and email address just to make sure that it's you. It's a verified account from you. And as you notice here, before you clicking it, it actually automatically add a number on that. So you'll wait until 24 hours and then your site would be updated or the markup. So you don't have to learn all of the tools from Figma, SketchUp, or any Photoshop. This one is all front end. You don't have to log in to make a revision or changes or even additional. Like for instance, I want to have a call to action button here, or simply is click in here and then it would say number two. Okay, so right here I want to add exactly in here. So you see number two and then you just say call to action button and then you just hit the add comment and then approve.